Hi, Elaine Powell here, doing another dose of mind speak with you. Mindset that once you're sorted with your mindset, is easy then to speak your truth, speak your message and your story with the world. Now this week I have been interviewing the most amazing business owners, entrepreneurs for my Speakerpreneur Summit. And something that's come up again and again and again from all my guests is service to others. Think about other people and transform their lives, and in return you'll have a business that's thriving. You'll make as much money as you can cope with if you serve. And I know prior to hearing this, if I heard this a few years ago, maybe sort of 10 years ago, I was definitely in the me world. Like, what can I get out of this? How can I make money? How can I succeed in my career and in my business? And I'm not sure if it's because I never had children that all I had to think about was myself. Maybe when you're a parent, you realize that you've got to be focusing on your children. It can't just all be about you. So it definitely has been a fight of mine throughout the years to continually put myself to the side. Just put me to the side and know that I've worked on myself internally. And so just give and make a difference to other people. And for those of you, I know there's some of you out there, you're the actual opposite. You just give and give and give to other people. And then the last person you actually give to is yourself. So I think we need to do the swapsy. If you're someone that gives for other people and then you forget about yourself, then this is a time to spend time on yourself, to nurture yourself, to give to you. And give to you so that your core is strong, so that you are fully nourished internally and you're in a great space, because then when you are, you then can give to other people. I remember a member of my family is just like that, giving to her children. And at some point I had to say, you've got to give to yourself. If you're not strong, then you won't be strong for your children. And so she did. She took time and built up her own internal strength so that she could be strong for other people. So whether you give to other people or you give to yourself a bit too much, there has to be a balance there. And for me, I know that it's one of my favorite sayings. Service to others leads to greatness, or help enough people to get what they want, and in return you'll get what you want too. So I'll end with, who are you going to serve today? Who is going to come into your radar? Who's going to come and speak to you, and they're going to leave in a better place than they were when they actually started talking to you? That's a challenge, isn't it? Whoever you speak to this week, how are they going to leave more inspired, in a better place mentally, feeling great about themselves? How can you give something to them, whether it's your words, whether it's a hug, whatever it might be? Give something to somebody else that's going to elevate them at, you never know, a point in their life where they just might need that. So how are you going to be of service to somebody this week? Remember, like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you another time for Elaine Powell's Mind Speak. Take care, guys.